I'm Lucy Jennings from the Creativity Patch. Come along with me and let's have some fun. I'm going to wind off, about a yard or so of the embroidery thread. And I'm going to thread one end of it through the needle. And I'm going to put that end off to the side. And get my cord. I'm going to tie the other end around the cord. Now what we're going to be doing is winding it in a coil like this as we wind the embroidery thread. So I want to get my knot as close to the end of the cording as possible. And another knot just to make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, I'm going to let this short end hang down and I'm going to start winding my embroidery thread around the cord. Check to make sure it's nice and tight. We don't want any cording showing through, so I just want to push up the embroidery thread. Now I've wrapped it for about half an inch, so I'm going to fold it over now, just like so. And what I'm going to do here is take this short end and it's going to be wrapped right along with the cording. So I'm going to take all of it together here and wrap it all around. And I'll keep wrapping like so until I can get my coil all the way around to the other side. Almost, but not yet. Now after I've wrapped about another half an inch, I'm going to take it and wrap it into a coil like so. And now it's time to get the needle end. And we're going to just take the needle and sew right down through the center. Now I am doing something called the figure 8 stitch. Because we're just beginning the coil, it's a little hard for you to see what I'm doing. Here's a diagram. The needle goes behind the row below it, then it comes up over the top, and then around the back of the cord we're coiling. Then you continue to wind as usual. I'm wrapping it about 4 times, and then I'm going down and stitching down into the center. Bring it back up. I've been winding around this end for a while, so it's secured inside by now. I'm going to clip it off, just to keep things neat and easy to see what I'm doing. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to fill in the center of the coil. We don't want a watermelon with a hole in it. Be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!